Good day, my dear students. This is Omkar here. I am here with your new chapter, Material Control, the problematic parts. Okay, so in the examination, you will be asked to solve a problem of 12 or 8 marks with concern to material control. Yes, the problem will be like this. Yes, the question is here. You can see the question. From the following information, you have to calculate 4 important aspects. You have to calculate reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, average stock level. Hope you have watched the previous video which is concerned to the formula related to all these stock levels. Hope you have noted down these all formulas in your notebook. So that is the base for the complete calculation. So if you have not yet written down the notes concerned to this one from the previous video, please note down all the formula relating to material control from the previous video. Okay. Yes. So these 4 components you have to calculate now. So information will be given. So here the informations are given. You in the examination also the set of information will be given. Based on that you have to calculate these 4 components. Okay. Yes. So first one is maximum quantity usage. Yes. This company having some cost related stock related items, and the maximum amount of quantity the company is using is 240 units per week. Okay. Yes, note it. This is one important element you need for the calculation. Then minimum quantity usage. Okay. So the company uses 120 units per week, that is minimum. Maximum the company uses 240 units per week. Then normally, average. Normal means average. In every case wherever the term normal comes, that means that is average. Okay. So normal usage means average usage 180 units per week. On an average the company consumes or uses 180 units per week. Then reorder quantity. So reorder level, you know, at the reorder level you have to order the quantity, isn't it, from the suppliers. So at the reorder level, the reorder quantity which is to be ordered is 1200 units. Then reorder period is given, reorder time, so 3 to 5 weeks. So these are the information, set of informations which are needed to calculate the complete problem, all these levels. Okay, so let us solve this particular problem. Yes, the solution is here. First one, you need to calculate reorder level. So reorder level formula, you have to by heart that formula. So with the application of that formula you can calculate reorder level. So maximum consumption into maximum reordering period. This is the formula for the calculation of reorder level. So see here from the question here, maximum consumption means the maximum quantity usage. So in a week the company uses maximum 240 units. Okay, that is given. So that maximum consumption means 240 units. Then maximum reordering period, correct? Maximum reordering period in the sense here the 2 weeks are given, isn't it? See here at the last reorder period is given. There 3 is minimum, 5 is maximum. Note down it. So 3 to 5 it is given. 3 means minimum reorder period, 5 means maximum reorder period. So you need maximum reorder period now, that means it is 5 weeks. So just 240 into 5 weeks you have to do, that you have done here, 1200 units. The reorder level is 1200 units. Another important thing is here, sometimes this reorder quantity will be given here, otherwise you need to calculate by using this particular formula. So with the application of this formula you can go through this reorder level that is calculated now. Now let us go to next element which is asked to calculate, that is minimum stock level. Okay, so minimum stock level you need to calculate. The minimum stock level formula, by heart it and note it down. Yes, minimum stock level equals to reorder level minus, and in the bracket you have to take average consumption into average reorder level or reorder level period. Okay, so note it down, this formula. Yes, then let us go with the components which is to be calculated. Okay, reorder level you have calculated now here, so this one you have to take here as a reorder level, right? Yes, minus average consumption. On an average, the total average amount of consumption, that means you have to do the average of the consumptions, maximum and minimum consumption, that is to be averaged, and sometimes it will be given averaged. Here it is given 180 units, isn't it? So that you have to take. And average reorder level period. Average reorder level means average of the reorder period. Minimum reorder period and maximum reorder period is to be averaged. So it is given in the question 3 to 5. So 3 to 5 is the minimum and maximum reorder level periods. So 3 plus 5 divided by 2, you have to average it, correct? No, 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So by averaging that you will get 4 weeks. So like this way, 1200 minus 180 into 4 weeks. So 180 into 4 you have to do, then 720, then out of 1200 you have to deduct that 720, then you will get the answer, that is 480 units. Okay, so next let us move on to next formula. Maximum stock level you have to calculate, right? So MSL, maximum stock level, the formula you have to write. In one bracket is to be opened, then reorder level plus reorder quantity, then bracket you have to close, minus, again in a bracket you have to take minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Okay, yes, reorder level you have calculated the 1200, and reordering quantity is given in the question, correct? No, so that is also 1200 minus 120, what is that? Minimum consumption, correct? No, it is also given, minimum usage or minimum consumption 120, and minimum delivery period 3 to 5 weeks. 3 is minimum, 5 is maximum, correct? No, in the question only it is given, so minimum you have to take. So then 1200 plus 1200, 2400 minus 120 into 3, so then 2400 minus 360, 2040 units, correct? No, 2040 units. So 3 components are calculated. Then next element or component is average stock you have to calculate. Average stock is nothing but average of maximum usage, maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2. Average of maximum stock level and minimum stock level. So maximum stock level you have calculated, minimum stock level also it is calculated. 2040 was the answer, and 480 was the answer, correct? No, it is calculated, then you have to average it. So maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2, 1260 units, correct? No, so this is how you have to calculate. In the examination also these 4 question components will be asked to calculate: reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, and average stock, and related needed information will be given. Based on that you have to calculate. So let us solve another problem here only. The question is here. Let us note down this question, and I will share this particular snapshots to you through the groups. You can take down from there also. Yes. The following is the information relating to a material. Okay, maximum consumption is given 400 units per week. Minimum consumption is given 200 units per week. Then reordering quantity is given. Reordering quantity means the total amount of quantity of materials that you have to order when your stock level reaches to reorder level. Correct? No. Reorder period. Correct? No. 4 to 6 weeks. 4 is minimum reorder period. 6 is maximum reorder period. Then you have to calculate 4 components. Reorder level is to be calculated. Minimum stock level is to be calculated. Maximum and average stock. So same way as you have solved the previous question, in the same manner you have to move ahead. Let us solve it. Okay. Right. So reorder level you have to calculate first. So formula is to be applied: maximum consumption into maximum reordering period. Maximum consumption is given in the question, and maximum reorder period, that means 4 to 6 is the reordering period. 4 is minimum, 6 is maximum. That you have to take 400 into 6, 2400 units. This way reorder level can be calculated. Then is minimum stock level. Yes. Apply the formula: reorder level minus average consumption into average reorder level period. Okay. Yes, formula is applied. 2400 is the reorder level. Correct? No, you have calculated now, just now here, that you have to take. Then average consumption, if it is not given, it is to be averaged here. Average consumption will be given generally, otherwise you have to calculate. Average means average of maximum and minimum. Yes, 400 is average here. Correct? No. Sorry. Yeah. See here. It is given 400 and 200. Correct? No. Yes. So maximum plus minimum divided by 2. So 4 plus 2 divided by 2. Correct? No. Yes. 300. Average consumption you have to calculate. Then average reorder level period. Average reorder level in the sense 2 reorder levels are there. Here it is given 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Then you can get it averaged. Then this way you have to apply the items in the formula. 2400, 300 into 5. Then 2400 minus 1500, it will be then 900 units. Final answer. Then next is maximum stock level. Write the formula: reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Correct? No. Yes. So let us solve this. Right, here is the answer: 2400. Correct? No. Reordering level you have calculated. Then reordering quantity is given in the question. Correct? Yes, 1500. Then minus 200. What is that? Minimum consumption. It is given, no? Yes, minimum consumption 200 units into minimum delivery period is given 4 to 6. 4 means minimum, that you have to take here. Then this way simplify the main formula contents and find out the main answer: 3100 units. Then average stock you have to calculate. Just you have to average the two stock levels, maximum stock levels and minimum stock level is to be averaged. That you have calculated. 3100 is the maximum, 900 is the minimum. Just you have to average it to get the main answer. So this way you have to calculate. Very simple calculations. Just you have to apply the main items into the formula. You have to by heart the formula, no other option. So based on the formula the things are to be calculated, and based on that how you write the formula and all that matters for the marks point of view. So this way, with the application of formula, you can calculate. Now another concept you need to study with this material control, that is called as economic order quantity. So it is a quantity to be ordered when the stock reaches to the reorder level. Okay, so whenever your stock reaches to the reorder level, you have to order the materials, isn't it? So from the suppliers or the farmers, you have to take the materials. But what is the economic way of ordering, in the sense which will avoid understocking and overstocking issues? We have studied those two terms in the last class, isn't it? So your stock should be in a good manner. There should not be any overstocking and understocking issues. For that reason, you have to order right number of quantities during the stage of reorder level, correct? No, so as to order the right number of quantities of the material, then you have to use some a formula. Based on that formula, if you calculate the number of quantity which is to be ordered, then it will be very beneficial point from the your stock point of view. For that reason, there is one concept called as economic order quantity. Whenever your stock level reaches to the reorder level, you have to apply this economic order quantity formula, and the answer will be one number of quantity that you have to order. If you order that particular quantity being the answer of your EOQ, so you will not face any overstocking and understocking issues and wastage of material, such issues. For that reason, one concept is there, that is called as EOQ. EOQ is a quantity of materials to be ordered when your stock level reaches to the reorder level. It is also called as standard order quantity. Okay, standard order quantity, note it down. So the formula is, yes, here is the formula: EOQ equal to square root of 2AO divided by CS. The components are given here. A means annual consumption. All these things will be given in the problem itself. You just have to apply the items into the formula. Annual consumption, in the sense total number of units that you are going to consume in a year, correct? No, then O, buying cost per order. Getting? So what will be the cost of buying for a order, right? So that will be there, that will be given, you have to calculate. Then cost per unit. Getting? The total number of cost which is to be incurred per unit. Then storage or carrying cost, if any, that is called as S. So based on this, the problems will be given sometime, and one problem we can solve in the next classes. So you have to note down this, the meaning of this EOQ and formula, and this is very important from the examination point of view also. So note down it, make it perfect, and by heart all the formulas. Solve these particular problems in your notebook and solve without seeing the notebook once, then you will be perfect. And also note down this EOQ formula meaning, and in the next class let us solve one particular problem on this particular EOQ concept. Okay, so thank you.